Alright, so today we shall practice about English conversations. Now here are a few examples where we shall learn how to combine two questions into one single question, and also we shall learn about their answers. Example 1. Did he take that one? This is the first question. Which one? This is the second question. Now, if we combine both of these together, we can make the question, which one did he take? And the answer will be he took that one. Example 2. Is Bill going to the movies now? This is the first question. Where? This is the second question. Now, if we combine both of these questions, the question will be, where's Bill going now? And the answer, he's going to the movies now. Example 3. Wasn't it there because of that? First question. Second question, why? Now if we combine both of these, the question will be, why wasn't it there? And the answer, it wasn't there because of that. Example 4. Should we complain to the manager? This is the first question. And second question is whom? And if we combine these, the question will be, whom should we complain to? And the answer, we should complain to the manager. Example 5. Couldn't you get to Boston because of that? This is the first question. Question 2, why? And if we combine them, the question would be, why couldn't you get to Boston? The answer, I couldn't get to Boston because of that. Example 6. Did he come here 4 months ago? This is the first question. Second question, how long ago? And if we combine them, the question we have will be, how long ago did he come here? And the answer, he came here 4 months ago. Example 7. Does she want her tea with cream? This is the first question. Question 2 will be, how? And if we combine them, the question we have will be, how does she want her tea? The answer, she wants her tea with cream. Example 8. Is there a bus stop at the next corner? First question. Second question, where? And if we combine them, we will have the question, where's there a bus stop? The answer, there's a bus stop at the next corner. Example 9. Should we buy groceries today? This is the first question. Question 2, what? Combining them, we will have the question, what should we buy today? The answer, we should buy groceries today. Example 10. Did they used to get there by bus? Second question, how? Combining them, how did they used to get there? The answer, they used to get there by bus. Example 11. Did you have to travel for business reasons? Second question, why? And combining them, we'll have, why did you have to travel? The answer, I had to travel for business reasons. Now here are a few conversations with irregular verbs. Conversation A. Speaker 1. Have you found a picture of your mom yet? Speaker 2. Yes, I was lucky enough to find one yesterday. Speaker 1. Have you put it on the wall yet? Speaker 2. No, but I'm going to put it up this afternoon. Conversation B. Speaker 1. Have you heard about Robert's bad luck? Speaker 2. No. What happened to him? Speaker 1. I hear he's lost his job. Speaker 2. You can't believe anything you hear. Conversation C. Speaker 1. Someone stole money from the company last month. Speaker 2. Some money was stolen 2 months ago too. Speaker 1. I think the person who's stealing the money will be caught. Speaker 2. John said he thought the police would catch the thief soon. Conversation D. Speaker 1. Did you bring your umbrella today? Speaker 2. No, but I brought my tan raincoat. Speaker 1. Maybe Fred will lend me his umbrella. Speaker 2. I think he has already lent his to someone. Conversation E. Speaker 1. Have you ridden in Fred's new car yet? Speaker 2. Yes, I have. I rode in it last night. Speaker 1. Did Fred let you drive the car? Speaker 2. Yes, I drove it around the block a couple of times. Now here are a few short conversations with irregular verbs. First one. Did you write the letter? Yes, I did. I wrote it yesterday. Second. Did he drive the car? Yes, he did. He drove it yesterday. Speaker 1. Did they do the work? Speaker 2. Yes, they did. They did it yesterday. Speaker 1. Did she send the report? Speaker 2. Yes, she did. She sent it yesterday. Speaker 1. Did you bring your money? Speaker 2. Yes, I did. I brought it yesterday. Speaker 1. Did he read the article? Speaker 2. Yes, he did. He read it yesterday. Speaker 1. Did she begin her work? Speaker 2. Yes, she did. She began it yesterday. Speaker 1. Did they see the display? Speaker 2. Yes, they did. They saw it yesterday. Speaker 1. Did he wear his raincoat? Speaker 2. Yes, he did. He wore it yesterday. Speaker 1. Did you buy the bicycle? Speaker 2. Yes, I did. I bought it yesterday. Speaker 1. Did they hold the meeting? Speaker 2. Yes, they did. They held it yesterday. Speaker 1. Did she take the package? Speaker 2. Yes, she did. She took it yesterday. Speaker 1. Did she quit her job? Speaker 2. Yes, she did. She quit it yesterday. Speaker 1. Did he cut the rope? Speaker 2. Yes, he did. He cut it yesterday. Speaker 1. Did they draw the diagram? Speaker 2. Yes, they did. They drew it yesterday. Speaker 1. Did she get the message? Speaker 2. Yes, she did. She got it yesterday. Now here are a few more examples of short conversations. But this time, first there will be a statement, and then we shall learn what will be the next question to that statement. Speaker 1. I forgot something yesterday. Speaker 2. Have you forgotten anything today? Speaker 1. I lost something yesterday. Speaker 2. Have you lost anything today? Speaker 1. I began something yesterday. Speaker 2. Have you begun anything today? Speaker 1. I sold something yesterday. Speaker 2. Have you sold anything today? Speaker 1. I made something yesterday. Speaker 2. Have you made anything today? Speaker 1. I took something yesterday. Speaker 2. Have you taken anything today? Speaker 1. I won something yesterday. Speaker 2. Have you won anything today? Speaker 1. I did something yesterday. Speaker 2. Have you done anything today? Speaker 1. I read something yesterday. Speaker 2. Have you read anything today? Speaker 1. I wrote something yesterday. Speaker 2. Have you written anything today? Speaker 1. I built something yesterday. Speaker 2. Have you built anything today? Speaker 1. I sent something yesterday. Speaker 2. Have you sent anything today? Speaker 1. I broke something yesterday. Speaker 2. Have you broken anything today? Speaker 1. I brought something yesterday. Speaker 2. Have you brought anything today? Speaker 1. I tore something yesterday. Speaker 2. Have you torn anything today? Speaker 1. I drew something yesterday. Speaker 2. Have you drawn anything today? Now here are a few examples where we shall learn how one statement can be said differently with irregular verbs. You do that work well. This can also be said as you have always done that work well. The girl writes accurately. This can also be said as she has always written accurately. The man tells funny jokes. He has always told funny jokes. Those men drive carelessly. They have always driven carelessly. He gives money to charity. He has always given money to charity. Tom sends reports to them. He has always sent reports to them. The meetings began on time. They have always begun on time. The motor runs very smoothly. It has always run very smoothly. She chooses clothes carefully. She has always chosen clothes carefully. John reads the daily reports. He has always read the daily reports. You forgot people's names. You have always forgotten people's names. Mary has trouble with that. She has always had trouble with that. That man speaks rapidly. He has always spoken rapidly. I take good care of my car. I've always taken good care of my car. You eat breakfast very early. You have always eaten breakfast very early. The man wears a hat to work. He has always worn a hat to work. Now here are a few short conversations. Speaker 1. Has the man ever seen it? Speaker 2. Yes, he saw it yesterday. Speaker 1. Have you broken one? Speaker 2. Yes, I broke one yesterday. Speaker 1. Has Mary ever worn one? Speaker 2. Yes, she wore one yesterday. Speaker 1. Have the men heard it? Speaker 2. Yes, they heard it yesterday. Speaker 1. Has the leader begun yet? Speaker 2. Yes, he began yesterday. Speaker 1. Have you ever driven one? Speaker 2. Yes, I drove one yesterday. Speaker 1. Has your sister eaten there? Speaker 2. Yes, she ate there yesterday. Speaker 1. Have the workers done it? Speaker 2. Yes, they did it yesterday. Speaker 1. Have they ever sung it? Speaker 2. Yes, they sang it yesterday. Speaker 1. Has Mr. White sent it? Speaker 2. Yes, he sent it yesterday. Speaker 1. Have the people read it? Speaker 2. Yes, they read it yesterday. Speaker 1. Has John made one? Speaker 2. Yes, he made one yesterday. Speaker 1. Has the girl bought one? Speaker 2. Yes, she bought one yesterday. Speaker 1. Have you spoken to him? Speaker 2. Yes, I spoke to him yesterday. Now here are a few more conversations with irregular verbs. Conversation A. Speaker 1. Did you sell those people your house? Speaker 2. Yes, we finally sold it to them last week. Speaker 1. Have they given you the money yet? Speaker 2. Yes, they gave it to us just this morning. Conversation B. Speaker 1. Has Robert chosen a new suit yet? Speaker 2. Yes, he chose a very nice one on Saturday. Speaker 1. Has he worn his new suit yet? Speaker 2. Yes, he wore it to the meeting yesterday. Conversation C. Speaker 1. Did Alice shut the window? Speaker 2. Yes, she shut it a short time ago. Speaker 1. She forgot it this morning. Speaker 2. No, she left it open on purpose. Conversation D. Speaker 1. Did you read the magazine? Speaker 2. Yes, we read it this morning. Speaker 1. Did you find the article I told you about? Speaker 2. We found it all right, but you didn't tell me it was so long. Conversation E. Speaker 1. Have you gone over the reading section yet? Speaker 2. Yes, I went over it last weekend. Speaker 1. Did you understand everything in the essay? Speaker 2. I think I understood all the important parts.